So, as a researcher of operations and supply chain management, I myself and my team are working on how to minimize the negative environmental and social impact of supply chain operations and how to quantify the environmental impact, social impact, economic impact to design effective and efficient supply chain strategies. I myself and my team worked on measuring environmental impact of point of sales, printed receipt and digital receipt supply chain. By environmental impact, we have quantified the resource usage and carbon emission so that we can understand what is the difference between the options. In Australia in a year, around 10.6 billion receipts are printed. More than 150,000 trees are used for that. It's more than 10 billion liters of water and it's more than 100 million kilowatt of energy used. And based on these, policymakers can take a decision that is effective and efficient for minimizing environmental impact and social impact. The research that we are doing right now, we are trying to investigate the impact of digital transformation in surgical and medical device supply chain, impact of digital transformation in customized medical grade footwear supply chain. Another research project that we are conducting is what are the environmental impact of green textile as opposed to traditional textile. As a researcher, I try to make impact and I feel happy whenever my research output can solve some of the problems that are existing in society. That gives me immense pleasure because by my research I am contributing to society.